Are you struggling to keep tracks of legal cases, deadlines, and billing in your law practice? Managing this task manually can lead to missed deadlines, disorganized files, and inaccurate invoices. What if there was a way to streamline all this process into a powerful platform? So, welcome to Leap Legal Software, the ultimate solution designed to help law firm manage cases, documents, and billing very efficiently. So in this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through how to use Leap to organize your practice, automate workflow, and save time. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Leap, manage legal cases, process billing, and generate report. Before we get started, let's break down what's make Leap stand out. According to their website, Leap is all-in-one legal platform management software designed to help law firms organize cases, detail deadlines, and documents in one centralized location. And you can do a lot of things. For example, automate workflows, track time and expense, generate reporting, and the three things which I really like, that is a cloud-based and accessible from any device. Second is pre-built templates for common legal documents, and the third one is integrate seamlessly with accounting tools like Xero and QuickBooks. So to get started, first of all, you have to just go and click on Get Started here, and here they are showing that initially we have to initiate a meeting. We just click on Request Demo and meeting with key stakeholders and review of system and pre-installation and configuration. And after that, there will be a trial data transitions and change management, uh, all of this stuff. So they will help you through, for example, purchase zero, and there's all there, and the end one is then you can just go live, right? So here you have to fill up this form where you have to enter your name, your last name, email, platform, location, and are you in current client or no. So area of law, and then you have to send it, right? Now on the top right side corner you will see a request demo where you will find the same thing. Now just go and click on submit. Now they will, once you enter, make sure you enter your correct email address and phone number so they can get contact with you. Now to get started with a Leap, you have to visit leap.com here, and the best thing which I like that you can customize your dashboard. Now what I mean by this, so here you can tailor the interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like case list, calendars, views, and billing summaries. You can rearrange elements for better visibility and accessibility. You can use Leap import tool to bring in existing data such as a client profile, case details, and billing records. Map filter ensure data flow accurately into Leap. You can set permissions, you can customize the templates, each and everything. So the setup process is very intuitive even for beginners and ensure you are ready to hit the ground running, right? And one of Leap core feature is to its ability to manage legal case very efficiently, where you can just create a case, organize a document, assign tasks, and these tools ensure your case are organized and deadlines are met, right? Accurate time and expense tracking is critical for billing clients, which I that is what it's really useful, right? And it's help you to maintain a billing client fairly and maintaining profitability. Use the timer features to track time spent on tasks like research, meetings, or code appearances. Add a description to provide context for each entry. Log expenses like travel, filing fees, or photocopies directly with Leap. Attach receipts or invoices for easy reference. Navigate to the billing section and create invoices based on logged hours and expense. Customize invoices templates to include your family branding and your payment terms. These tools ensure accurate billing and improve client trust. There's also automating workflows. Now what I mean by this, so is where Leap truly shines. And as you can see, it's really good at AI features. You can automate document generation, you can use pre-built templates, and you can populate fill with clients and cases details, set up email templates for common messages like client updates and court notices and everything, right? Now automation saves times and ensure consistency across your practice. Now finally, Leap provides powerful analytics tool. Now what I mean by this, which it can help you to measure performance and optimize strategies, revenue per practice area or attorney, average time spent per cases, client acquisitions and retention rate. Use these insights to identify bottleneck, recognize top performers, and refine your strategies. You can also export reports in various formats for presentations or audits. So, and there you have it, a complete helpful video. I hope so. And if you found this information really useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel.